Barack Hussein Obama was born on August 4, 1961, in Honolulu, Hawaii, to a Kenyan father and an American mother. His upbringing, characterized by diverse influences and cultural exposure, set the stage for his future as a unifying figure. Growing up, Obama's life was marked by his intellectual curiosity and commitment to social justice. He graduated from Columbia University and went on to study law at Harvard. His early career included community organizing and teaching constitutional law, demonstrating his dedication to making a positive impact on society. Obama's entrance into national politics was met with excitement and anticipation. His eloquent and inspirational speeches, coupled with his message of hope and change, captured the hearts of many Americans. In 2008, he made history by becoming the first African American to be elected as President of the United States. As president, Obama faced a nation grappling with economic turmoil and political division. He championed policies aimed at healthcare reform, environmental protection, and economic recovery. His leadership style emphasized collaboration and inclusivity, often seeking common ground to address the nation's challenges. One of Obama's most enduring achievements was the passage of the Affordable Care Act, a landmark healthcare reform law aimed at expanding access to quality healthcare for millions of Americans. His commitment to diplomacy led to historic agreements, including the Iran nuclear deal and the Paris Climate Agreement. Throughout his presidency, Obama's emphasis on empathy and unity resonated across demographics. He addressed issues of racial inequality, gun violence, and immigration, sparking national conversations and prompting action. His ability to connect on a personal level with people from all walks of life underscored his vision of a more inclusive and equitable America. Beyond his policy achievements, Barack Obama's legacy extends to his role as a cultural icon. His wife, Michelle Obama, and he became powerful advocates for education, wellness, and the importance of giving back to communities. As his presidency came to an end, Obama's message of hope and progress remained a guiding force for many. His story serves as a testament to the transformative potential of leadership grounded in empathy, inclusivity, and a commitment to positive change. Barack Obama's journey from a diverse background to the pinnacle of political leadership embodies the idea that with determination and a belief in a better future, one person can inspire an entire nation.